You will not go to 2026 with this wound, with this fear, with this block. I'm going to operate a cord cutting that is going to change your life for the best. I trust that God Goddess all that is brought you today to that video to help you align with your highest timeline, reaching your highest potential. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sophia. I am a mental health counselor, a shaman, a star seed, hybrid star seed. I'm a chosen. I am here to help you move forward in your life, take your power back, remember who you are, claiming your divine inheritance, your divine birthright. And we are here to remove anything that is not love, light, and truth. I am so ready to today's video. I woke up different and I'm praying for you to experience that feeling. 2025 was difficult, heavy. It was closure, ending, failure, pattern. It was extremely, extremely intense, has the most high refuse to let you go in this next chapter of your life with some fears. Because when you have fears, this is the door for your mental, for the devil, for attacks, the trick of the mind, the fabric of the mind to disrupt, I'm hearing. It is here to scare you. And I am here to realign you, bringing light in your life. If you're ready, we're going to call upon Archangel Michael today. And I'm going to dig deeper in your Akashic records. We're going to prepare your system. I'm going to connect to my stellar family. Today, preparing your system now. Make sure you're laying down, please, or not being disturbed by anyone. It's very serious. We're going to rebalance your system before cutting these cords. Na diota wakorowanaya so wakarayaneya so warayaneya so wanarayasa. Archangel Michael creator kuma clearing the space. And Archangel Michael is going to bring so much gold into your space and into my space, calling upon the cosmic dragon to make sure any debris will be transmuted in divine light. Clearing the space all around you. Ando do go wanana ya wasaramaya ya waria wanaraya dara wanarayasa. I am going to work with your Kundalini for her to help me remove that wound that you carry. Agarawegegi ananawa yaserei ananawa reai anarawa reana asarai akarai 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 akarai. Oh no way. You're going to take one deep breath with me. I'm going to count now. 3, 2, ma, tara, ia, Get on the wet say, ya, 1, 2, ya, wikia, Gay, wamara, ia, tara, 2, mo, ia, ara, ia, akra, ia, akra, ia, akra, ia, akra, ia, akra, ia, akra, ia, 3. Wait, ya, suru madana wait, ki, ka, sa, na, ya. You're not bringing that to 2026. Krik, iya, maraku, atra, iya. Ay, kra, iya, nra, wa, ay, oh, God got a skiri on the Ia ana asa ia oto ia ma ia ara ia asra ia ana tata ako wa anara e sia anata ya e uma na e ngara ia otiu ma toto we ya ne aya ma clearing the space, kraya katana. Clearing, krayata. Dia tarawatria, Archangel Michael, kriya anowa, tikidria ano susu uete ia. Archangel Michael, tikiria, titukuma atere ia, terebia, torukuma atara ia, tarakia, bakuturukuma atriki, skuma. Ikidriki bater kutur uma uma si atara iyo no wu ata wa ara ino do ua karaya na Rasu unata Whoa, that was very powerful. I'm praying for you to receive that. And if you want to dig deeper, I'm offering powerful codes on my website. And the most significant masterclass when I'm going to literally align you with your highest timeline. We're going to remove any wounds that you still have. I just want to pull one card for this 2026. Just one card. I'm going to take that one from rag to riches. This is the tone for 2025. This is the tone for 2026. This is everything I wish for you. And until next time, namaste.